spine, but I don't mind a few lines tonight I'll regret for the rest of time. Let your hips and your lips and your fingertips slip against the city streets, sleeping in again, sleeping in while my friends get high on the West Side Highway. Did you ever make it back to Byron Bay the day you told me to quit drinking and thinking that I was gonna die before 30? Your mom was so worried about all those kids in the house tearing picture frames down. Our fathers were never around when we were younger. So let me go. I saw you on the river's edge, dragging on a plastic cigarette, with your swim top still wet. So let it go. I'm meeting you out on the coast. You hate the smell of real smoke, so why'd you always keep me so close? We're collecting shells out on the bay shore. You know I was a shell before, deep in the hands of another. My brother had told me to leave, but I didn't believe the evil beneath some people you meet out in Queens. The way the rain came down the other day in Byron Bay made me feel so alone, so I just went home and scribbled some poem that I know that you'll never read. So let it go. Saw you on the river's edge, dragging on a plastic cigarette, with your swim top still wet. So let me go. Meeting you out on the coast. You hate the smell of real smoke, why'd you always keep it so close? So let it go. I saw you on the river's edge, dragging on a plastic cigarette, with your swim top still wet.